Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Wow! Oh my goodness!
Watch Isaiah's. How about redemption?
Simmons
comes like a heat-seeking missile.
Gets the ball. Oh my goodness!
And then Byron Murphy with the scoop and the
let it go. I think I better let it go. Okay, y'all, I will shut up. Okay.
What a comeback for these Arizona Cardinals in the second half. Resilient as it can possibly be.
Wow.
They are still looking at a player on the far side of the field, I believe it would be Hunter Renfrow, who took that hit.
Woo.
This play is being reviewed. And we've had no official word as yet.
But as bad as this season, the first 6 quarters for the Arizona Cardinals has been to have
that's the craziest game I've ever saw in my life, bro.
See, just a great
play. Wow.
I was looking for all the
game of the year. You can't match it. Cracky. I was talking shit about Simmons and Collins. Cracky. Good Lord. Oh my God. I'm stupid. Wow.
He is holding the ball, approaching the goal line.
I know. I saw that too.
5 and across the goal line.
Yeah,
just barely. I mean,
it was looking bad, right? Yeah, you go into halftime.
If he would have let that ball go too early,
you're looking around saying, what in the world?
I'd have been like, bro,
He basically got stomped in the first half.
that was Dumbo, bro.